Hi, my name is Daniel Zeng.
My name is Surapaneni.
Our idea is CleanMask. So, across the United States, there have been approximately 21.7 million cases and 365,000 deaths as a result of COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in a shortage of N95 respirators, which are the gold standard mask used by healthcare professionals. The primary filtering layer of the mask is made up of a charged polypropylene electret fibers, which filter out viruses by causing oppositely charged viral particles to stick to the fibers and not pass through. However, hours of breathing through the mask reduces the filtration efficacy, and while several mask sterilization methods have been proposed, each method negatively affects this layer by reducing the charge in the layer, compromising filtration efficacy. In fact, many healthcare professionals are currently forced to unsafely reuse their N95 respirators. As an example, Minnesota ICU nurse Mary Turner stated that some of her coworkers in a hospital had to wear the same N95 mask for around 8 to 10 12-hour shifts. So, despite the supply of N95s increasing little in the past few months, there's still a large deficit in N95 respirators in healthcare systems, which compromises healthcare providers' safety. Unfortunately, many manufacturers cannot ramp up production of these respirators due to increasing opportunity costs, as well as high explicit costs for N95 manufacturing machines. Each new mask machine takes 4 months to custom build and up to $1 million to build. Thus, if there is a way to allow sterilization and recharging of N95 masks to maintain their efficacy, then this would be a big alleviation to the N95 shortage.
Currently, there are some methods that attempt to sterilize and reuse the mask. However, these methods result in the mask potentially being unsafe and expensive for reuse. One of the primary methods used to sterilize N95 masks is the use of alcohol or heat sterilization. This method renders the N95 mask useless as alcohol or heat reduces the charge of the polypropylene electret layer in N95 masks. When this layer's charge is reduced, the efficiency of the N95 mask may drop to as low as 63%. Another solution being developed is a plastic reusable mask, which contains recharging devices inside the mask, continuously recharging the mask to maintain efficacy. However, these masks are expensive, bulky to wear, and have no effective means of sterilizing the inside of the masks. We believe CleanMask can correct these aforementioned problems with the other proposed technology and be able to offer an alternative solution to the lack of production of N95 masks.
Our product is CleanMask. CleanMask is a relatively small device that first sterilizes a one-time use N95 mask, then recharges that electrostatic layer of the mask so that the required efficacy of 95% is reached. The sterilization process is done through two stages. First, a strong UV LED light sterilizes the surface of the mask where many virus particles are likely to be found. Then ozone generators inside the CleanMask device generate ozone, which sterilizes unreached areas on the inside layers of the mask. Studies done on previous SARS coronavirus 1 have shown that both methods are effective ways of killing coronaviruses. Next, to recharge the mask, voltage generating devices inside the CleanMask device will recharge the mask up to 95% filtration efficacy within an hour.
Our market entry plan is to first test out the device to shipping first units to EMS and second line workers who are not in as much risk as direct contact healthcare workers to minimize liabilities. After receiving feedback and iterating the device, we would try to gain FDA endorsement and then market toward organizations most in need of N95 respirators, such as hospitals and frontline workers. Each device will have the ability to sterilize and recharge 10 N95 masks at the same time in 1 hour. Each device will cost $400 for consumers and approximately $100 to make, factoring in patent, manufacturing, shipping, and certification costs. We have also determined trustworthy manufacturers and production costs. The primary means of business will be B2B, involving bulk sales to hospital organizations and healthcare agencies. We expect the demand for pandemic related N95 respirators to remain high for at least 3 more years. For future growth, we are planning to utilize novel methods to create a variant device which can allow the safe reuse of N95 masks in industrial settings, as well as biological labs. As shown in the diagrams, we have projected the growth our company should take the next couple of years.